Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis after a long hiatus. This week, we have some very simple and interesting price action clues to analyze on the EURUSD, GBPUSD, EURNZD and the GBPNZD, very valuable pieces of price action today. Let us dive right into it from here on. As it has already been noted, the Euro-United States dollars is the first pair on the watch list, and we can see a slight downtrend here, with a small retracement to the downtrend. We also have a trend line placed against this retracement. So for the coming week, we will be looking at a retest of the trend line, with a price of interest which is represented by the red line, in order for the bulls to step in. Also, if the bulls do not step in with a retest, then we will be conversely looking at a breakout of the trend line for the bears to step in, or even a retest of the trend line before the bears are able to step in, so that the Euro-United States dollars will remain bearish throughout the week. These are the two most likely scenarios that we will be looking at for the Euro-United States dollar. The British pounds United States dollars, being the second pair on the watch list, has a very similar price action to that of the Euro-United States dollars. We have our bearish downtrend here and a retracement against the downtrend as well, so we will be expecting very similar outcomes for the British pounds United States dollars. We will be expecting the retest of this trend line for the bulls to take over. Or if the retest of the trend line does not come in, then we will be expecting a breakout of the trend line. Or even a retest of the trend line before the bears step in and take over the GBPUSD. So there are tons and tons of similarities between the Euro-United States dollars and the British pounds United States dollars, as they are positive correlation pairs. Let us move on to the next currency pairs that we have on the watch list. The EURNZD is the next pair on the watch list, and we can see that the EURNZD is on a medium-term uptrend, as it is comfortably trading on this trend line. We can zoom out into the chart to get a clearer picture of the whole trend that is in front of us. Then we should finally quickly zoom back in to analyze the EURNZD judiciously. There is also a trend line on this, and the trend line is the point of interest for the coming week. We will be looking at a retest of the trend line for the bulls to shoot back up. Or if the retest never occurs, we will be conversely looking at a breakdown of the trend line. And if possible, a retest of the trend line for the bears then to take over. So these are the two likely scenarios that we will be looking at for the EURNZD. The next pair on the watch list is the British pounds NZD, which is also positively correlated with the EURNZD. This British pounds NZD, which has a lot of similarities with the EURNZD, is the next and the final pair on the watch list for the coming week. It is also trading on a medium-term uptrend, so let us just quickly zoom out into the charts to see how clear this uptrend is, and then zoom back into the charts and do the similar thing we did on the EURNZD for this one also. So for the coming week, we will be looking for the retest of this trendline for the bulls to shoot up. Or we will be looking at a similar breakdown of the trend line, or even a possible retest of the trend line as new resistance. Then we go back down for the bears to take over for the rest of the week. That is it for the coming week. I hope you have a good trading week. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you gained value from this content.